the Accolade is designed to deliver the confidence of a heavy-duty platform while still providing the finesse and detail of a true luxury coach. From the moment you step inside, the attention to detail is evident, with premium cabinetry, residential-style finishes, and a spacious layout that makes it feel less like an RV and more like a high-end apartment on wheels. Integra has long been known for blending durability with elegance, and the 2026 model refines this balance even further. The driving experience is an area where the Accolade really shines. The cockpit is designed for long-haul comfort with ergonomic seating, an advanced infotainment system, and safety features like lane departure warnings, collision mitigation, and adaptive cruise control, giving drivers more confidence even on challenging routes. The big panoramic windshield and well-placed mirrors give exceptional visibility, which is essential for a coach of this size. Whether you're tackling mountain passes or cruising along the interstate, the ride is smooth and quiet thanks to Integra's signature insulation and soundproofing that minimize road noise. Once you're parked, the interior opens up into a space that feels refined and inviting. Depending on the floor plan, you'll find configurations that maximize living space, sleeping capacity, or storage, all tailored for the needs of modern travelers. A full residential kitchen comes standard, featuring solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large convection microwave, and a residential refrigerator, making it easy to prepare meals just like at home. The living area often includes theater seating, a convertible sofa, and an entertainment center with a large LED TV and sound system, creating a perfect spot for relaxation after a day of adventure. In the bedroom, comfort continues with a king-size bed, high-quality mattress, and plenty of storage including wardrobes and under-bed compartments. Many models include washer and dryer prep, making extended trips more convenient. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a spacious shower, modern fixtures, and high-end finishes that remind you this is not just a motorhome, but a luxury retreat. Another highlight of the 2026 Accolade is its technology and connectivity. With features like integrated Wi-Fi prep, multiple USB charging ports, and smart climate control, Integra has ensured that owners can stay connected and comfortable no matter where the journey takes them. Energy efficiency and power management have also been upgraded, with robust solar options and advanced generator systems that allow for more time off-grid without sacrificing comfort. On the outside, the full body paint and sleek styling give the Accolade a commanding presence on the road and at the campsite. Large storage bays with easy access doors ensure that everything from outdoor gear to extra supplies has its place. Power awnings with LED lighting extend the living space outdoors, making it as enjoyable to sit under the stars as it is to relax inside. The 2026 Integra Accolade truly represents a fusion of power, elegance, and thoughtful design. It's made for those who don't just want to travel, but want to live on the road with style and confidence. Whether you're a full-timer or a seasonal adventurer, this motorhome delivers